Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to divide the circle into 6 equal parts. Let's start with our circle, and I have marked on the circumference 2 opposite points. As you will see at the end, when I align the ruler to do these 2 points, the line will pass through the center, so make sure to do the same. I'm pointing my compass on those 2 intersections, and I'm marking 2 lines on the circumference, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. These will be my intersections that divide the circle into 6. So what needs to be done is just to align the ruler to 2 opposite points and make sure the line passes through the center, as I said before. So now I'm drawing the other line, and finally we will draw the horizontal line. And you can see I'm using the 2 initial points and the line is passing through the center. This is it. You have your 6-fold division. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Bye!